welcome back to another room tour on the Dope Life. So today we are staying at Vdara. We are staying on the 20th floor in room 002. This is going to be an executive corner suite. So this is the first time that we've stayed in a room like this at Vdara. We used to do the panoramic, but this is a different one. I think this is going to be a new favorite. So you walk in immediately to the left. You have your half bath. So just a single private toilet with a door. Right when you walk in, you have this beautiful dining table, just like you have in the panoramic suite. This is right here when you walk in. In our view, we are looking over the city center. So that's Las Vegas Boulevard up there. So we see the strip up there, but we also see it in a couple different other spots. In here, I believe this is the washer dryer. Yep. So washer, dryer. So you can do some laundry. We actually brought some Tide Pods this trip to do that. Now in this one, the kitchen isn't just like part of the whole room. It's enclosed, which I really enjoy. So with this, same thing like the panoramic suite, you can call downstairs and get cookware and stuff if you wanted to. So you have a stove, you have a dishwasher, you have a microwave, you have cabinets that are empty, but like I said, you just call down to the desk and you can get kitchenware upon request. You do get a Keurig. Well, that's a fridge. I'm like, this is the dishwasher. What is this? So that's your fridge. So that's your mini fridge. They didn't refill, which is fine because we're not going to use that anyway. Sink, and then full-size fridge, and one of the best parts about this room is the filtered water. I cannot express how important this is because water is so important to Vegas. Hydration is so important to Vegas. And here, it's just part of the room. So bring your own water bottle. It's incredible. Then you have a full fridge. The bottle of vodka that we have will go. Out here, you have the living space. So TV, couch, chair, just like the panoramic suite. Nice little work table to work on if you want to do any work or if you have stuff to do. And tons of space out here too. And then we come around here to the bedroom. The bedroom, you walk in, you have a full-size king bed. You have your own closet here, complete with robes, the safe, your suitcase holder. Oh, my bad. But yeah, so you have this entire bedroom. It's already cool in here. Big old TV. You get to overlook the fountains if you're laying in bed. Then you come into master bathroom, I should say. My beautiful wife is just hanging out. And you have a standalone bathtub that you can sit in the bath and watch the Bellagio fountains go off. I think I do this in all my other ones, so why don't I do this? But yeah, so this would be your view as you're taking a bath. Just watching the fountains go off. Sinks. The second toilet. This one is just standalone. Then you have your stand-up shower, complete with a seat. So that is our tour of the executive corner suite at Vdara. This is part of our regular vacation trip, so we are going to get after the rest of the stuff that we're doing tonight. Thank you for stopping by and checking it out, and ask for this room specifically. Cheers, guys.